Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to another video, and in this review, I'm going to be taking a look at the Pafieo 13-inch teleprompter. Now, if you guys are in the market for a teleprompter, you're probably going to want to watch this review. Now, I've been making YouTube videos and reviews for over 3 years now, and you can see this is the area where I do all of my reviews. And this teleprompter has been really crucial in helping me film a lot more videos a lot quicker. Now, I'm gonna do a review of the actual teleprompter itself. Then I'll show you what it looks like with my Canon M50 actually installed into it. And then afterwards, what I'll do is I will show you with my iPad setup how it actually looks on the teleprompter app, and also how it looks while the teleprompter is actually running on this. So make sure you guys stick around all the way to the end. You're probably going to want to watch this to make a determination if this is a product that you guys are going to want. Now, again, I told you guys I've been using this for this particular product for over a year, and it has exceeded my expectations. First off, it does come with this really nice hard aluminum case. And now there's a reason for that, right? Because the mirror here is glass, and if you need to move this around, you definitely don't want this shattering, because this is what makes the entire teleprompter work, okay? So you get this carrying case. This actually all breaks down piece by piece. This is actually a Velcro cover, but all of the pieces actually fit in here really nice, and this is recessed so that when you close it, the mirror piece fits here on top of all of the pieces. So that's a really nice feature. The second thing is it comes with this remote, and this remote is really nice. It works in conjunction with the teleprompter app, so that while you're actually filming, you can actually use this to go back, forward, speed up, slow down, and all of that stuff. So this is really nice. Now, this can be a little bit tricky getting it to sync up to the app. I'm gonna show you guys an iPad. It does work. I've used it for a year. No matter what anybody says in other reviews, it does work with an iPad. You just have to make sure you replace the batteries. Okay, so let's take a look at the actual teleprompter itself. It is actually fairly heavy. It's very heavy duty. Like I said, it fits my Canon M50, and I believe it fits most Sony models, so the A7 series and all that. What's really cool here is it does have a little cloak here, a little cover, so that no light actually makes it into your lens there. And on the bottom here, this piece actually slides and mounts, so you guys can see here. So this can actually slide all the way back, and that just allows you to be able to set your camera, set this slide all the way back if you need to set your camera back. But I particularly like my camera a little bit farther forward with the lens that I have. And right here, you can see there is a little knob right there. That's where it would screw. And you guys will see this in a second when I screw my camera and mount this to my tripod. But with this cover, another thing is hey guys. So another thing is, and you guys can see how great that mirror is. It is absolutely amazing. On the sides here, right here, it allows you to add a microphone, which is a really cool feature. So on this side, you can add a microphone attachment, or on this side, you could add maybe like a light attachment. If you were traveling, or you needed to add some light with you, you could add a little accessory right here, and that's what that is. And this little tray on the bottom here actually extends in and out, and it allows you to slide your iPad in. Okay, so let's transition over to getting this set up so that you guys can see what it looks like. Okay guys, now this is actually how it looks when I have my Canon M50 connected to the teleprompter. It's got a Sigma 16mm lens here, an extended lens. So I just have the camera slid back just a little bit so it's not touching the mirror face here. But you can see this covers all the way over, right? So you can, you got this cover so it's nice and dark. Here you guys can see It's adjustable here on the bottom. There's lots of different holes depending on where you want to mount it to. And then there's this little knob right here that allows you to slide your camera back and forth. Okay, so let's go to the front and I'll show you guys what it looks like from my seat. Okay, so here is my monitor. I have a laptop here, and here is the mirrored the mirrored teleprompter. So you guys can see this looks really, really nice, right? This looks really nice, and also this right here is all controlled with a controller. So I could take this stand, I could move it back a few feet, you know, I can move it forwards. And as soon as I hit the play button, this will actually start scrolling. And this is just one of my kids' old iPad Pros, you know, that we've since replaced. And I just use it now as my teleprompter iPad. And you guys can see it's a pretty big size. Even from this far away, you can see it very, very easily, okay? So let's take a look at what it looks like inside the app now. So yes, you are going to need to download an app. I cannot remember if you have to purchase it or not, but I think it was maybe a couple dollars or something like that. It's really, you only have to buy it once. So let's go into the app real quick. And you guys can see, let's go out of here. You can do tons and tons of adjustments. You can actually make the font bigger or smaller. You can change the speed. You can change the font and background color. And you can upload whatever your text is. A lot of times what I did was I had a Google Doc on this iPad, and I would copy and paste the text from the Google Doc into this app. I found that to be the easiest way. But let's jump out of here so I can show you guys. And this is where I have this is the in-May teleprompter, and this is where, here, I'll slide this over so the fan's not, here we go. So you guys can see, this is where you can make edits on the side here on the right. And then this right here is actually where your different files are for each one of them, okay? So let's click on this. So, and that takes you back into the document, okay? It literally is that simple. And then in the upper right-hand corner here, you guys can see, and this is how you would upload a new document. You would add the title in here. And like I said, I copy and pasted from my Google Doc, and then I would come in here, I would tap that, and then I would tap again, and I would go ahead and paste all of my info in here. It literally is that simple, okay? So hopefully this gives you guys a good idea of whether this Pafieo teleprompter is going to be something that you're going to use. Like I say in all of my videos, if you got value out of this review, make sure you guys give this a thumbs up, and also share this with somebody else who's looking for something like this. Make sure you guys follow my review page. I do reviews of all different types of stuff, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye for now.